today I'm gonna have another behind the scenes video, Halloween edition. I'm feeling all of the spooky vibes this year, that's why I'm wearing these horns. Comment down below if you remember the photo shoot that I used these for. But back to today's shoot, we're doing a vampire, scary, spooky, dark, gothic type of photo shoot. I got my amazing artist Emilia to do my model's hair and makeup. We decided to go for very dark, heavy eye, red lips, very pale skin, and we also decided to give her a little vampire bite on her neck. I was thinking something like an innocent bride that got lured into the Dracula's lair. He bit her, now she's slowly turning and she's becoming evil and haunted. Yeah, that's kind of the vibes that I was going for. Oh, also I decided to use this candle holder and a red candle. The candle holder I bought from Value Village for only about like $5, and the red candle I got from Michael's to give it a little bit more of that vintage old look. I burned it quite a bit and made sure that there's a lot of wax kind of dripping around the candle. I actually ran into a lot of problems during this photo shoot. First of all, my model Mattlen is absolutely beautiful and she fit for this shoot so well, but she is really tall and I did not expect that. So the outfit that I originally chose for her, which was all red, was way too short for her, so I had to just quickly figure something out and we decided to go with this white vintage dress. Second fail was the vampire bite marks. When Emilia used some scar wax and latex and then she put some like fake blood, it looked so cool. And then when the model stood up and put on the dress, the scar wax just literally fell off and made a big mess. And at that time we were already ready to leave and we were already late for our photo shoot. The makeup and hair took longer than I expected, so we were losing the sunlight really quickly and we did not have the time to sit and redo the bite marks, so we just decided just to go with like the bloody neck, and that's kind of what we did at the shoot. And by the time we got to the shoot, we also had only about an hour before sunset. And at this time of the year, when the sun sets, it gets completely dark and really cold and there's no way shooting like a blue hour anymore. And a lot of the shots, because the makeup was so dramatic and so black, I could barely see her eyes. Just a lot of things going wrong. So yeah, I had only 1 hour and this is kind of what I came up with. I hope that you guys still enjoyed this photo shoot. Although so many things went wrong, I still really love the result.
The first few shots that I took, I actually did not end up liking, but then I decided to put on this red cape, and it's actually just a nightgown with the sleeves tucked inside. I think it added just that right amount of mysterious into the image, and I ended up really liking that.
So go lower. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Get closer to it, more kind of like this way. Yeah, exactly. Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, 1 sec, because now you can see that the cape is not really a cape. Okay, and look kind of like this way. Yeah. Oh, I love that how you do it with your neck like this. Yeah.
I wanted to quickly address this because I know I'm gonna get so many comments. I know I take a lot of pictures of the same pose. It just kind of happens when I get really excited about a particular picture. Also, I just do not want to miss any moments, like her slightly changing her expression or the hand position, or maybe the hair is gonna get blown by the wind. I do have a digital camera, so I can take as many pictures as I want. That's one of the perks of shooting digital.
Yeah, that looks really good. I'm gonna do the full body. Go even more like in your profile. What if you just kind of hold this like that? Closer. Yes, exactly. Oh,
Light it.
It's because you're not covered. So try to keep this still kind of like, yeah, you can hold it like that, yeah. I'm ready, yes. Okay. Yeah, that's really awesome. Okay, now hold it really close to you, really close. Well, not too close. Like, don't burn yourself. Now turn towards me with your body a little bit more. Yeah, and hold it like that with your hand. Yeah, that's really cool. Go just a little bit this way. Yeah. Oh, here we go. That looks awesome. Yeah, I love that creepy smile, yeah. Okay, so stay like that. Chin up just a little bit here. Go just even a little bit more this way now. Yeah, stop there.
It's lit now.
Okay. So this way it's very gloomy, very dark. I kind of like it. But yeah, now it is getting darker slowly, but I like it. It's like very moody. Oh yeah, and you can see that this illuminates your face really nice. Let's do the one where you're like turning around and you're looking back at me. Yes, exactly. Because the back, yeah. Because the back is really beautiful in here. Okay, stay like that. That looks really good. Okay, do it with like both of your hands, kind of like this, but again, like a little bit closer. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I love the way that looks. Can you get just a little bit closer to me? Yeah, stop there. Ooh, I love the way you look. Yeah. And then go in the profile here. Oh, your profile is amazing. Oh, I love that. Okay. Just a few more like that. I'm just gonna go a little bit lower. I want to do like a really nice portrait of you, like quite close up, and that bokeh looks really nice.
Delicious.
If I shoot down low like that. Yeah. Don't, yeah. Oh. Can you put it in the other hand? And then more this way, and then hold like the fire with that a little bit more this way. Yeah. All right, so we are done with our photo shoot. We had to work so quickly because we didn't have that much time today and we were chasing the sun. Now that it got really dark, we're gonna end it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this gave you a little bit of that Halloween spooky vibe. And yeah, check out everyone involved in the video. I'll leave everyone's link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.